Today, you will learn how to merge a Word document with a PDF into one PDF file for free in just a few seconds. First, open your web browser and search for PDF24. Then open the PDF24 website and click the Merge PDF tool. This tool also supports Word documents, so you can combine Word and PDF files into a single PDF without converting them first. Now click Choose Files and select your Word document and PDF file. To select multiple files at once, hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each file, then click Open. After the files are uploaded, make sure they are in the correct order. If needed, simply drag and drop the files to rearrange them. Next, click Merge PDF and wait a few seconds while your new PDF is created. Once it's ready, click Download. Open the downloaded PDF and you'll see that your Word document and PDF have been merged into a single PDF with the same file order and formatting preserved. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.